Yo walal namerwe bookmark doal ngara gamara ngaraganin na dial Galiwin'ku doal COVID mirwa nga diang bala ngaraganin na diang bala wangain jama miriwal yako ngay Claire. Hello Claire, how are you?
Good morning, I'm very well, thank you.
Ka Yolngu nito maringi ko naporon Yolngu ka na nung jama. Can you tell us about who you are and what's your background?
So my name's Claire. I'm a nurse. I've worked in the Northern Territory for 14 years, and a lot of that time I've worked as a baby nurse in communities, but I work in Gove Hospital at the moment over in Nhulunbuy.
And what's your role out here?
So I was invited to come join the COVID surge team with the government to help with the COVID response.
So I know you've been helping try and set up the vaccine drive, Pulu vaccine jama, lemorong. And so we're trying to encourage everyone na lemorto bolo vaccine maram na nido wangain Miriam, marma Miriam, lorkon Miriam, tarwa vaccine. But why are we still telling people to go and get that vaccine? Nako lemorka jama.
That's a very good question, Dr. Jamie. We are still asking people to go and get their COVID vaccine, encouraging for first injection, a second injection, and if you're eligible for your booster, number 3, because it's the best pathway for stopping that COVID sickness. We're still wearing masks, still doing hand washing, but we're just encouraging everyone to have their COVID vaccine. It's the best way to stop that COVID disease.
Main so ngay badak lemor ka COVID ko room go malton nakon mask lemor ka baki ka kong rogyo mer ka nakon ganang tol ni na ngolene COVID mer ka nawe nya ka galkininan warpawal Yolngu yor badak ngurong dokar kulman around already vaccine ka ngay ngurong dokar manmak ngay easy quick ka pilin ma ka nawe wangan jada wone ka ngay tam vaccine boy. You've got a bit of a story, Claire, about not jan niga nama bamat na niga ngatil jama wadeng or ka yut the vaccine bunnan or burrito for rotavirus ka pneumococcal ready porwit boy ready ka rotavirus ngay kulon boy ready yoto boy. But can you tell us a little bit about that story from Wade?
Thank you. So I worked as a baby nurse in Wade Clinic maybe 12 years ago, and we saw a lot of Yotu Jamakuli come in with vomiting, diarrhea sickness that you can now get a vaccine for. And over the time that I've lived and worked in the Northern Territory, we don't see little kids and babies getting sick with that disease. And that's a really good Northern Territory vaccine story that I've seen in the time that I've worked here. And we know a lot of kids, they get needles when they're little to stop getting sickness, disease that are very bad. So I would like to see families keeping their kids protected from diseases by using those vaccines.
So ngon ngay pamat na do already 10 years, 12, 15 years ago Dual ready yakung ngay rotavirus ngay kulon poi ready. Wangaja kulon poi ready. Pok mi wuri poi ka Yolngu yoto ngulega ready maram ga yai na kulon to ga ready ton. Kaktur ka diarrhea ka yai ka sam jamar kule bala white pelil marichin. But the vaccine bunan ka tiang bala yakalimur ngulega nama dual ready. Werpo golon poi ready ka ngora but dual rotavirus yakalimur ngulega nama. Bila dual vaccine to mangi kom le morong rumbal na mangi kom le morong watar miringo jaga mermala and white blood cells ka le morong rumbal gal nga mangin ngurki redo ka lemor yolngo kulumram ngurki redo and dual covid yut ngai ready yur lemor kabir ka yun lemor to kulumram dual ready dual vaccine yo pitan bili. We're ready. You're badak ngay buat miwri poi. Coronavirus ngay ako. Yo, kalimur ngulega nama jamar kule walal ngulega vaccine maram. Nako, kulum run the row. We're ready mala. Nakon dual COVID. Dual COVID yan yurta. Yo, Mangmak, we might end that story there. Gudriyan yur Mangmak tawo. Thank you, Claire, for sharing that story with us. It's nice to be able to meet you and find out Yolngu for the Yolngu Galiwin'ku. Thank you for coming out to Galiwin'ku and working with all of us. Yolngu mala.
Thank you. Good to be here.
Markat mer Yolngu ma cucut na walal